Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox December 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing this month Glossybox. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So yes, all the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this month box. So this month it's not a box, but it's a tin, really a cute one. It says Little Wonders inside. It's really a cute one. Definitely I will reuse this tin one. And then when you open this tin, you will get your card, which it says scan me. This month theme is Glossybox Wishful Moment, all the products. But let's see first if I can scan this one here, because as you know, it's been like 2 months that I really could not scan it. So this one, let's see. So yes, I can scan it. So let's see first the spoiler for next month. So here it says sneak peek New Horizon January. The new year is here, Glossies, and it begins with new and exciting challenges, ideas, and horizons ready for you to discover. It's great that you're joining us on this journey to discover new beauty horizons. Our January box will delight you not only with its gorgeous special design, but also with its hand-picked product selection. Get inspired with new looks, fresh colors, and surprising makeup ideas. Dare to look beyond your horizon to discover a new side of yourself. Because I don't really want to blind you, but they didn't include the product spoiler for next month, but just the theme one. And then let's see what it says in this month box. So it says Glossybox Wishful Moments. May your wishes come true with our heartwarming December edition, filled with both carefully selected classics and trending products. The 6 glamorous addition inside this special design tin will make your beauty routines look and feel effortless. Preserve your energy for the festive fun and make those frosty mornings a little easier as you discover new brands, unique texture, and feminine colors. The final Glossybox of 2022 will ensure you step into the new year with an added touch of elegance and glam. Let's see the product that I received. So the first product that I can see on the top here, it's from by Petra. We have 2 products in here. This is the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Each has 15 ml. They are tiny one, but they are perfect to bring with you everywhere. And as I said, lovelies, I used this one before. I really do like it. It's not harsh on my skin. After I use it, my face is really soft and smooth. So yes, I really do like this one. And let's see what it says here. So this one, it's retail for £10, I think both. And these are travel size or deluxe sample size. And it says this award-winning Pixie Glow Tonic will clarify your pores and remove excess impurity, gently exfoliate and cleanse your skin. Loaded with a unique formula containing glycolic acid, aloe vera, and red ginseng, used morning or night to achieve radiant prep and hydrate skin for the new year. So yes, we have 2 products here. The next one we have here, and this is from Beauty Crop, the Glow Milk Press Illuminating Powder. Here we go, if you can see it. So it does look like this inside. So this one is in the shade Pear Pressure. So inside it does look like this. Oh, I hope you can see it. Let me swatch it. Here we go. Oh, nice shade. Perfect for New Year. So I don't know if you can see it, lovelies, but I don't know if you can see lovelies, but I'm using artificial light at the moment because it's so dark outside. And this one, you could receive this one or the number 7 highlighter golden glow. So I received the beauty crop one, and this one it's retail for 12 pounds, and it says skin hydrated and illuminated glow with a beauty crop liquid highlighter, enriched with coconut and argan oil, mixed with your foundation, moisturizer, or place over your makeup for a stunning glow. So yes, here we go. And then the next one we have here, it's from Philip Kingsley. This is the Booster Restoring Conditioner, and I know this one we received in Look Fantastic before. This is just a deluxe size, and it's 20 ml, and it's worth £4.60, and it says stain freeze and elasticity and smooth your hair strand with this elasticizer booster from Philip Kingsley. This hydrated and versatile conditioner will nourish and restore parched hair and will overall revive hair condition. And then the next one we have here, so this one is like a multiple product that you could receive, or you can receive Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser, or the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, or from Philosophy, which is the Hope Hyaluronic Acid Glow Water Cream, or Hope Biome Balance Glow Serum, or this one here which I received from Monoskin. This is the Rosewood Reviving Mist. Here we go. And this one is deluxe sample size, it's 50 ml, and it's rated for £9.95. And here it says a beauty bag essential for providing your skin with a quick pick-me-up infused with a combination of lemon, rosewood, and sandalwood essential oil. This mist will awaken and purify your skin while refreshing a dull and tired complexion. And the last product we have here is from Give Them Lala Lip Duo Lip Liner and Lipstick. I never heard from this brand before. This kit is retail for £22, and it says this lipstick and lip liner duo will become your go-to for a beautiful lip finish, both smooth, pigmented, and long-lasting. This lipstick will ensure your lips pop, whilst the lip liner will define your lips to give them shape they deserve. So yes, let's see. Oh, this is in the shade The Beach. We have the lip liner, we have in here. Let's watch it. Oh, really nice, like summer shade. It's like a peachy tone. And this is the lipstick one, lovely. It's very cute packaging, very fancy. Here is the shade of the lipstick. Let me swatch. Oh, it's quite like very light nude shade, the lipstick, and this is the lip liner. I really do like the lip liner one. This is perfect shade in summertime, springtime. The lipstick is quite light, but I think if you apply to all together will be fine. That's all for my unboxing. Let's do a recap, lovely. So you will receive a full-size product from Give Them Lala Beauty, the Lip Duo Lip Liner and Lipstick. Here are the shades. You will receive also another makeup product full-size from the Beauty Crop. This is the highlighting Glow Milk Highlighter Compact. Also two deluxe sample size from Pixie, the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. This one, lovely, is the Breast Illuminating Powder. You could receive or this one or the number 7 one. And then you will receive in this box the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. And the last product, you can receive this one here, the Monoskin Rosewood Reviving Mist, or the two products from Clinique and another two products from Philosophy. So one of those products. So yes, that's all. Overall, lovelies, I'm really excited to try the Duo Lip Kit Duo. I never heard from this brand, so I'm really excited. The highlighter one, yes, perfect for this season, for Christmas, for New Year. I love the Pixie Glow Tonic one. I really enjoy using it. The Monoskin one, I honestly don't like them. I tried them on my skin type. They don't do anything on my skin. I always like give them away. The Philip Kingsley one is really a good brand. This is a really good one. I tried this one before. It's really good. So yeah, overall, yes, it's a good bag. And also the tin is really a cute one. I definitely reuse it. So yes, it's really overall it's a really cute one. It's not their best box in my opinion. So yes, and that's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this month box? What products are you excited about? What products would you like to receive? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.